Today we're going to be taking a look at this gas grill that was sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get it out of the box, see everything it comes with, and then check it out. Really cool little grill. It comes with a manual, says it's a built-in gas grill, which looks like it can be built in if you wanted to. It comes with the grates. This was in a box. When you open this up, it had the hose zip tied to it and some of this other hardware in here. You got 2 burners in there and 2 controls. 4 legs if you want to use it as like a tabletop cooker, which is what we're going to use it for. It comes with this gas regulator. You can hook it up here. If you want to hook it up to a large tank, like those 25-pound tanks, here is an extra hose. You can do that. It's got the 2 diverters, I guess is what I would call them. They go over the actual flame pipe that's in here and diverts any grease that would fall down. So it's got everything you would need other than the actual propane. I'm going to get this thing put together and we'll try it out. Very nice. Perfect size if you were going to go like camping or RVing. And it's just really nice. All stainless steel. The fact that you can put a 1-pound bottle or you can use it with a big bottle is also pretty cool. Let's go ahead and try to light this thing. So to light it, you just push in and turn it. And there you go. Flame stays on high. Let's do it on this other one here. Still got a good flame underneath there. These are both on high. I'm gonna go ahead and let this thing get heated up and just see how nice and hot this thing gets real quick. It's got the temperature gauge built into the lid right here. It's got these cool little clamps on the sides of the lid here, so you can put everything up, clamp the lid on it, and now you're all packed up and ready to go. You can see that thermometer is climbing pretty quick. And like I said, really a perfect size. 2 burners. I mean, you could cook, you know, family of 4, family of 6, pretty easy. Cook hot dogs, hamburgers, steaks, whatever you want to do on that. I like the big round knobs. Easy to move, easy to see. Everything about this thing I like. Nice handle. This thing's going to work great in our RV. We don't have a cooker in our outside entertainment area on our RV. There's a sink and power outlets and all of that, but we don't have a cooker. Now we do have a quick connect right underneath that. So it's not like a full outdoor kitchen, but it does have a capability of adding a cooker. And that's what I'm gonna do with this. I'm gonna buy the quick connect hose and I'm gonna tie it in and we're gonna use this in that outdoor kitchen on the RV. And as you can see here, I mean, this thing gets up to temperature really quick. We're almost to 400 degrees. I mean, a nice hot flame there. It's got the reflective shield on the inside, so that way it's going to cook your food nice and even on both sides. And 2 burners is more than enough for this size cooker. I'm not sure I mentioned it does have this drip pan underneath. I can pull it out because I'm not cooking anything on it right now, but this would catch all your drippings and everything. Then you just have to clean this up. Makes it really easy to clean this grill. And that just slides in on the bottom. So yeah, I really like this little grill. I love the fact that you can just light it, you know, from the knob and you don't have to have batteries or anything like that for it. It can use all the different connections for the propane gas and it's just got everything you need right here. So I really like it. I definitely think you will too. And I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.